What I've realized is it may sound very generic, but patience is a big game in laundromats. Laundromats is a patient business. It's not hire and fire, awesome life. 2 months, you are on the top of the world, and in the next 2 months, you're at the bottom. That's not this business. This is a much more stable business. And that's why this business is so loved and is so stable. It's not a restaurant business where your one dish is going to make a difference and it's just going to go ramp up. And once that dish goes cold, it's going to just go down. Usually, the kind of customers that you get here are lifelong customers. They are customers for 4 years, 5 years. They're spending $5,000, $10,000 on over that period of time with you. And when somebody is spending that much money with you, is trying to patronize your establishment, you have to give them time, right? You have to give them enough time that they fall in love with you. It's exactly like maybe in a dating scenario, you need to give it enough time so that at least they understand what you are trying to sell. You are able to understand what they're trying to buy. And there may be some miscommunications. They just allow it enough time that there is a communication and there is a conversation. Just pushing it, I don't think so ever works, because people then just feel that, hey, you're trying to push this out. Maybe this is not even fully built and you're just trying to monetize it. I think as a laundromat owner, as a business owner, it's good to look like somebody who's the patient money and who's going to stay. And people love this the most. And I think this is one of the most questions that I also get to. For example, we'll be doing this. Will you be around after a year? And the answer should always be yes. Why do you feel that I would not be?